Industrial machinery consists of moving parts, and parts that move become worn. Over the course of time, a part becomes so worn that it compromises the functioning of the machinery. Regular maintenance is therefore required. The sensitive parts are replaced and the machinery functions optimally again. But what if we can predict when machinery is going to break down? Targeted maintenance, when required, can replace periodic maintenance. Lower costs, less downtime of machinery, increased and more efficient production. Flanders Make and IMEC are demonstrating how businesses can make that move to conditional maintenance of their machinery in the Smart Maintenance Living Lab. It works like this. We fit a piece of machinery with low-cost sensors. That way, we obtain real-time information: vibrations, number of revolutions, temperature. Robust algorithms convert this large dataset into a simple and precise assessment of the condition of the parts. A continual health check, as it were. IMEC and Flanders Make collect data about functioning and health indicators in the cloud. With the help of artificial intelligence, computers can identify patterns about the lifespan of the components from the data of all the machinery. It would be difficult for humans to obtain this themselves. This information provides insights for further improving the reliability of machinery. The most important information from the cloud is visible to the operator on a dashboard. The operator can consult this dashboard from any location. This technology will enable maintenance to be carried out only when it is really necessary. That will make production even more efficient. Discover the opportunities presented by this technology in our Living Lab and carry out feasibility studies with your own business cases.